Genetics Project by Oscar and Samin. Today we're going to explain how to perform different types of genetic problems. So first, let's review genetic basic. What is a gene? A gene is directions in the DNA for making proteins. An allele is two or more forms of a gene. The first type of allele is dominant allele. It's when traits show up as capital letters, for example, capital T. The second type of allele is recessive allele. A recessive allele must have two copies of that allele for it to show up. Lowercase letters are used for recessive. For example, lowercase t. What does it mean to be homozygous for a trait? A homozygous trait has two of the same allele. For example, two capital B's. What does it mean to be heterozygous for a trait? A heterozygous trait has two different alleles, for example, capital B or lowercase b. What does phenotype mean? Phenotype is a physical trait, what it looks like, for example, tall. What does genotype mean? Genotype is what genes an organism has, one from mom, one from dad. For example, capital T and lowercase t.
Regular dominance. In cats, fluffy coats are dominant to smooth coats. A heterozygous fluffy cat mates a smooth cat. What percent of the offspring will be smooth? Capital F is for fluffy and lowercase f is for smooth. Since it's heterozygous, we're going to be using a capital F and a lowercase f, and a smooth cat, so we're going to be using two lowercase f's. So this is going to be a fluffy cat, a fluffy cat, a smooth cat, a smooth cat. So it's 50% smooth. Since it's regular dominance, we use a capital and a lowercase letter. Incomplete dominance. It's when two traits blend in together. When a yellowfish mates a bluefish, all of their babies are green. What will be produced if two green fish mate? Since we have three options, we're going to be using two different capital letters. YY for yellow, BB for blue, BY for green. So since it says a yellow fish and a blue fish mate, so we're gonna be using YB and YY. So it's 25% yellow, 25% blue, 50% green. Codominance. When both of the traits can show up together. When white birds mate with black birds, all of their offsprings have black and white spots. If a spotted bird mates with a black bird, what type of offsprings will be produced? Since it has three options again, we use two capital letters, WW for white, BB for black, BW for spots. Since it says a spotted bird, so we're going to be using BW, and a black bird, we're going to be using BB. It turns out to be 50% black and 50% spots. Blood typing. A man with homozygous blood A marries a woman with heterozygous B blood. What are the possible blood types of their offsprings? Since the man has homozygous blood A, we're going to be using IA, and since the woman has heterozygous blood B, we're going to be using IBI. And so it's 50% A, 50% AB. Sex-linked trait. A colorblind man marries a carrier woman. What percent of their kids will be normal? Since genes are located on a sex chromosome, the X chromosome is larger than the Y chromosome, so the sex-linked disease are found on the X chromosome. So we're going to be using the capital C for normal and lowercase c for colorblind. Since the man is colorblind and the woman is a carrier, the man is going to have a lowercase c next to his X, and the woman is going to have an uppercase C and a lowercase c, which turns out to be 50% normal.
Thanks for watching.